Welcome to the Fairchild Coconut Grove. I'm joining you today from the lower penthouse 502. This residence has 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bath, and is 3,000 square feet. But the most gorgeous thing about this unit is its direct waterfront views to the open bay. So come join me for a private tour. This unit was interiorly designed by Luminaire, with kitchens by Italkraft and closets and doors by MiaCucina. Fairchild was designed by world-renowned architect Max Strang. This 26-unit boutique building has a spa, state-of-the-art gym, and a rooftop pool overlooking the open bay. I'm Jessica Adams, your global luxury real estate advisor.